just to let you know, I was way up in my shelf today looking for stuff for the fish pond filter. You had all the hoses and the pumps and everything. And underneath that red bag was a box. And I opened the box to look for some stuff. Oh, you ain't gonna believe what I found. Next, I pulled out this box. Yeah, it's got some Hot Wheels tracks in there still, but guess what I found underneath? Oh boy, you're gonna love this. Let's see. How am I going to get over there? Maybe I'll bring it over this way. Alright, so I forgot all about this box. I packed it up and put it away. Oh, I still got Hot Wheels stuff in here. I got Hot Wheels stuff in here. Let's just get this out of the way. Look what I found. Dang it, get over it. Holy crap, what's this? It's a Rally Baja crawler. Oh no. No, it's all messed up. I mean, the car card. Custom Ford Bronco. Oh, look, I got... Holy crap. What the... There's a whole lot of cars in here. Alright, let's bring this up on the workbench. I don't want to... Is that a Baja Bouncer? What the hell is this? No, it's another Baja crawler. Let's go through this on the bench. Look, it's like Christmas all over again. Holy crap. Oh, look, I got two of those. Let's bring the camera over to my favorite place. And we'll go through these one at a time. Next. Alright, we're going to take care of my favorite guy's cards. I'll put them over there. Oh yeah. Oh, I got my cards. Here's a Baja Bison. Mad Max style. Oh, yeah. What I need to do is take this apart again. This is all metal. And take those axles out and make that special suspension, but I dripped glue on here somewhere, so it don't do nothing anymore. Alright, let's whoops, timber. Dang nabbit. Alright, just fall down. Stay. Let's get these cars out here, man. Oh, babe, this is like Christmas all over again. Let's see. 5 packs first. Let's see. I got, holy crap, I got 3 5-packs in there. What are these? I need, what's this guy? Let's see, what's over here? Dogzilla. Yeah. Off track. You know, that almost looks like a Baja Bouncer. It's raining outside? It started raining. What the beep? Look at that red truck. Oh, what's this guy called? It's a Jeep Wrangler. And that's a F-150. I have some of those, but they don't look like that. That's too tall for gravity throttle racing, man. When did I buy this? Been in that box for at least 2.5 years. Alright, oh, where's the next box? Oh, we got, oh yeah, police and emergency vehicles. What's that guy? Man, it's raining crap. We got some emergency vehicles, Road Hog, Speed Trap. Road Hog, Speed Trap. What's this guy? Rescue Duty, 5-alarm, and Nitro Tailgater. Are we on camera? Oh, yeah. We're zoomed out, right? Am I all the way up? Yep. Oh, I forgot about these. Oh, that sucks getting old. Alright, you clean up and you put things away. That's why I can't find the top. You know, I did 2 of these with the dry erase markers and took all the tampos off. I call them decals. You call them what you want. And I put it in a card case. Disregard the accident. And I hung it up somewhere. I can't remember where I put it. But hey, I got another one. What's this one? What the hell is that thing? Man, it's dusty. How long have you been sitting in there? Oh, we got a Joker. No, that's the Riddler. We got some kind of bat wing. So what we got? We got those guys. The Bat. So fast. Batmobile, Dodge Charger. Silhouette 2. Batman. Yeah. Okay, what else we got? Oop. Tungsten weights. Got to keep track of those. Alright, let's grab a bunch of these. Alright, what we got here? We got, man, these are all messed up. Huh? How long they been in there? There's a heavy hitcher, I think. I may have opened him. It's a tow truck. Okay. Where am I going to put them? I'll put them over there. Anyways, this guy here actually goes on the hauler here. Okay. Yeah. He goes with the bone shakers and stuff like that. Let's go back down here. What's this guy? This is the Rally Baja Crawler. I got 2 of those. He looks pretty good. He's a pickup something or whatever. We put these over there. But where did I put the last one? Oh, what's this guy? What? I got 3. Hey, go big or go home, Bill. I got 3. I gotta have to modify one and send it to Mark. Hey, I bet you ain't got any of these. Why don't you try one of these out, man? Where did I put that other truck? Oh, yeah, the tow truck's over there. What's this guy? There's a Bronco. Custom Ford Bronco. What else I got in here? Uh-oh, I got another one. Damn, this is dirty. Crap, I got a bunch. They're all at the bottom. What the heck is that damn thing? All right, Bronco. Seems I got 2 of those. Well, for now I got 2. Woo-woo. Jumping Jimmy. Jesus. Yeah, that's how long they've been in there. It's Urkenstein rod. Oh no. know about the clearance. Oh, yeah. Mad Max. Woo! Woo! Damn, these have been in there a long time. I knew I had the other stuff. Look, I got a fire department. Yeah, put that over there. Fire department. Dodge Charger Drift. Ooh. Hey, Mark, that might be coming your way. I'll have to put some LEDs in there. Woo, 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 woo. What the? RV there yet? Are you kidding me? Did I buy this? You can't tell me I bought this. What was I thinking? Oh, yeah, well, you know, maybe for the sidelines, which if I ever have a race, it's going to be called Bare Bones Racing, because all you're going to see are the 2x4s. Where's my other ones? Oh, hang on, I'll be right back. Oh, I got more. Well, crap, guess what? I got 4. 4, I'm telling you, 4. That would, Mark, I got to send you at least 1 or 2. At least 1. And see how that works down your track, man. And, yeah, that goes over there. What's this guy? Oh, he's gold. It's called the, man, these are old. Bot wheels. I don't remember this at all. Got knobby tires though. And got some gold plate. Bot wheels. Bot wheels. Oh. Why in the heck did I buy that? What's this guy? Hotweiler. Like Rottweiler? Like the dog? Man, I gotta wash my hands after this. Holy crap. Yeah, he's a bad puppy there too, man. Hotweiler. Like the dog. Rottweiler. Who's this guy? Oh, another Mercy vehicle. What's this? The Rapid Responder. Woo, woo, woo. Beep, beep. Well, at least he beeped his horn. Yeah. Yeah, I think I remember I was going to set up... Uh-oh, what's this over here? I was going to set up a track, but like, you know, I need the room to hang all my Hot Wheels up. I don't have any room. Oh, this guy would be bad. I hope I have more than one. He'd be... Oh. Dude, I could add some springs to this. Mark, I hope you're watching. I don't... It's twinning and winning. It's so old that the glue's about to give up. Twinning and winning. He would be bad on a Baja. Yeah, a little high. A little high in the back. What do you guys think? A little too high? Yeah, no. This guy. Toot toot. Uh-oh. Had an accident. Yeah. This guy would be nice. I don't know, not a lot of clearance there, but that's what came with it. But that's not going with it. That's going with it. Yeah, I got more cars or trucks. Hang on a minute. I hear jingle bells. Man, I got dirty real fast. Real fast. Okay, I got some more. Hang on. Wow, 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 wow. Man, they're so dirty. What's this? Ford F-150 Raptor. I got one of those over there. A different color, I think. Yeah, it even says Raptor. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That'd be nice. Are you trucking? What's this guy? Ah, big air balloon. Yeah, I got some of those hanging on the wall in the Hot Wheels shed. Yeah. You gotta remember to focus is right there, Bill. What's this guy? Dodge D100 87. Oh, that'd be nice. Wow, I forgot all about these. That's a lot of cars. What's this? Why the heck did I buy that guy? Buns of Steel. Man, they're so dirty. You know what? They're probably going to stay dirty. Buns of Steel. It's got burgers and fries coming out the roof there. Alright, I got 2 more 5-packs. And 3 more in my hand. I got a Land Rover. That wheelbase kind of short, huh? Oh, man. Baja Blazers. Yeah. Baja Blazers. Says right there. Number 90. I thought it said 99. I'm like, woo, favorite number. Put that over. What a pile I got over there. What's this? Oh, I remember I bought this to make something out of it. I got 2, but that was for my dentist. I bought a better one. So that's nothing. Hard to take the tampons. What the hell is this? Hard to take the tampons off. This is, get the dirt off there, Road Bandit. That's the, hey Arlo, you need another party bus? Everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah. Harry, Mo, Billy, hold my beer, guys. The Arlo party bus. It's almost your colors, Arlo. Laughing too much, but I still gotta get this phlegm out. And what's this guy here? It's damn, it's dirty. How long you been sitting there? Crap. Almost 3 Thanksgivings ago. Oh, this is the Poppy Ford Trans. I got one. No, this is the one. This is the damn dust, dirt. Hot Wheels Metro. What is this? Ford Transit Connect, but it says something. I really can't read it. OP. Anyways, I'm not sure why I bought that either. Let's get those 5-packs out. These are still in the bag. Yeah, look, they're pretty clean too. Yeah, throw the bag in there. That's about it in that box. I wonder how many more boxes I have over there. You know, you clean up, put stuff away. Ooh, maybe I got a Baja bone shaker. That's this guy. No, that's not that guy. Look. I'm gonna put Harvey, Moe, and Billy in there. Yeah. You're gonna have to add some weight. Yeah, hold my beer guys down there. I'm gonna put a flag out the top there, you know. Little flag, but anyways, look, this guy's bigger. No, he's badder. That means more power. Hey, didn't we just have something like this? Yeah, what's this called? Oh, now that's the Blade Runner. Is that another Raptor? Silverado. Sandblaster and Terrain Storm. Terrain Storm looks like it would fly down Mark's track, but he's adamant on what he wants. What was this guy again? This guy looks cool. What was this? These like brand new. Well, of course, they were in the bag. What's this? Yeah, these are brand new. What the hell is wrong with you, Bill? These are all brand new. Off-duty 150 Bronco, Hyper Rocker, Silverado, and a Trail Boss. I don't know. Well, we're gonna keep with the Bison. Look, that when you grind off the bottom, see, I gotta do that to this guy. Get this out the way. Jesus, all those cars over there. Bill, you have an issue. You need to go to fucking hospital and get some help. Whoops, wrong way. You gotta grind the bottom off and those little thingies. And then the weight, you gotta grind this crap off too. A large weight will fit right there. How come those tires look bigger than these? They do. These are bigger than this guy. The front and the front. These tires look bigger, man. I swear. Hey, I bought some more. So what's this guy look like? Let's see. Yeah, that's the same size. So, yeah, nice size tires. Where's the other two I bought? Man, Bill, you need to stop rambling. Let's see. Not one, but two. Yep, that's what they used to look like. I can tell they got that little notch in there. There's a little notch in there too. So that's the size I want. Oh, damn it, now I got cramps. I'm probably just gonna take the top off of this and put it on a new base. Like this guy, and then we gotta do the wheels again. Yeah. I dripped some epoxy or some glue on this guy, man. Totally messed me up. But yeah, I did a lot of work on that outer body and stuff. Yeah. Got a cage. Alright. Well, that's your bonus video tonight. And all I was doing was looking for the thing for the sand filter. If you're watching my other channel, I'm going back to the sand filter for the fish pond. And there's this funnel thing that covers the center tube. And then I found that box. I was like, what the hell's in it? Hey, that reminds me, I found another box too. Now I can't remember where I put it. I found my graphite. I knew I bought more. Hang on a minute. Yeah. I found this box too. There's my new graphite. Extreme velocity. Is that what it says? Maximum velocity. Look, I even got white gloves. What else is in there? What's this? Oh, big ass tie strap. There's my sweatband. That needs to be washed. Pooh, that's probably all stinky. I got, oh shit, I found an SD card. I need to dump this stuff out. Make sure we're on camera. Put the box over here. What's this guy? I have no clue. What's this guy? It's a little scraper thingy upper over. I got some pads. Where's the? What's this guy for? 3M. We'll find out. Is this? That's just the adapter. The card's gone. This is old. That's only 120, man. You can get one up to 200 now. So that's just the micro SD adapter. All right. So I got my maximum velocity. I got my. If the glove don't fit, you must have quit. That's not my glove. So, sorry. That's a flashback to 1994. All right, what's this? All right, anyways, thanks for watching. We'll put this stuff back in the box over here. Seems to be useless anyways, but no, I've been looking for this. Been looking for this, but I still don't have no Baja Bouncer. But I got some other Bajas over here. You know. Oh, this blue guy down here would probably tear that track to shreds. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments and stuff. There ain't gonna be no Batman. Nope. What's this other guy? That looks like a Baja Bouncer, but what's it called? Off track. Dogzilla, a little too high. So I'm going to go with Mark's recommendations on here. We got the rescue cars. Those are not for racing, those are for side. And that was when I was thinking of doing a diorama, but I'm like, you know what? I don't have the money. And I don't have the time. Trail Boss LT, this guy on the bottom, man. He don't look too high. He's too high. Man. Yep, already went through those. That looks like I said, way too high. Alright. And plus I got all those on over there. And go back and look if you want. You know, Mark's got to show his track. Can't just say I want this truck or this truck. But I got these. Dang nabbit. I got these trucks. I'm probably off camera half the damn time. I'm really sorry about that. All right, here we got cramps again. Gotta, you know, stretch that out. All right. Very exciting night. I'm still upset with the fish pond and the filter. It's dripping and leaking. By tomorrow, probably going to put more water in it and some conditioner. Oh, yeah. Not one, but two. Not one, but two. I know where these are going. They're going over there where I need them. Hi, mud studs. Really? That's what that says? Mud studs. Now, that's blue one, man. I want to open this. This blue one probably tear his track up. We'll see when I get it apart if I can put weights in it. What the hell are these? Are these my wife's? I don't know. They don't fit me. Put those back in the box. I wonder how many more I got over there. I'm gonna have to dig some stuff. I just saw a box over there. Oh, that's old stuff. Oh no, that's it. We're long enough. We gotta cut this. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I hope I feel better. We'll see when I wake up. All right, guys. Have a great one. That was for something. That was for something. And we'll talk to you later. Remember who I am. I'm Bill, the Garage Father. Good night.